Welcome to our Mini Science Center. Mini Science Center help in teaching science and maths to students in simpler way. It is innovative and interactive with hands-on approach to facilitate the learning process. Mini Science Center consists 80 models of science and maths. As models are plug and play, students can understand the concept by observing them. This modern way of teaching not only helps students comprehend the concept and their application easily, but also help in implementing it for the progress of the society, as students will be equipped with required knowledge and skills for lives. Thank you.
I am from Akkuz English Medium School, Kupwad. Let's travel in our astronomy lab. Astronomy is the study of everything, is the universe beyond Earth atmosphere, that include objects which we can't see with our naked eyes like the sun, the moon, the planets and the stars. Through direct observation, students will become familiar with constellations, planets, cluster and learn how to use astronomical telescope and other equipment also. The motto of this lab is to upgrade students' practical knowledge about these equipments and clear the concept of space technology. Thank you. I am life skill teacher and want to talk the importance of life skill for our children. Life skills are like the tools in a toolbox, helping them to navigate the journey of life with full of confidence. From learning how to communicate effectively, managing their time wisely, identify the emotions, so many skills are essential for their personal growth and success. By investing in their education and teaching them these valuable skills, we are empowering them to become independent and successful also. So let's work together to enjoy for the life skill. Thank you.